All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go through the agenda for Monday, October 19th, as well as preview parts of this week since we have our Chapter 3 test upcoming. The first thing you'll do today is do a review of solving compound inequalities. So this will be the first slide of the Google slide presentation, and you'll just need to write down these 3 problems. And then on the second slide, you'll go to, this will be a video that you will play, and it'll go through the explanation of those 3 problems. This is just a review from our last module. It seemed as if some of our scores on the Math Excel assignments were a little lower than normal, and so we need to just take a step back and make sure that we review this concept. In addition to this real quick little review, keep in mind that on our last module, there was the complete notes for compound inequality, so you might want to go back and review those. When you are finished with that review, I'd like you to go back to Math Excel, and I would like for you to complete, some of us have not completed those compound inequality assignments, or now that you've gone through the review, go back and redo to improve the score. Even if you've already done your 2 attempts, I've opened it up so that you can have multiple attempts. I want you to try to practice those and get the best score that you can get. When you're on Math Excel, I want you to go through and make sure that you see that you have all of the assignments for Chapter 3 complete. And we break our Chapter 3 assignments into 2 categories, like always. We have homework ones. So the ones here that I'm highlighting in yellow will count towards your homework average for Chapter 3. And then the ones that I'm highlighting in blue will count towards your quiz average for Chapter 3. And please make sure that since we are coming up here at the end of our chapter, that all of these assignments already assigned to you, but I want you to make sure that you do have them done, that they are due on Thursday, October 22nd at midnight. You know, I try to pick one date in which I take everything and pull everything from Math Excel. So that is the date right there that those need to be done by. I'll get up Friday morning and make sure that I get all of those grades tabulated and into PowerSchool. Now, since we're coming towards the end of the chapter, we'll have a couple of additional things this week. And so you will see that later this week, in purple here, that you will have your Chapter 3 test review. That's one Math Excel assignment you can't get to yet. I want you to concentrate on the compound inequalities and making sure that you have everything complete on Monday and Tuesday of this week. On Wednesday, that Chapter 3 review homework will be assigned. And once again, it is due at midnight on Thursday, October 22nd. We will also have, if you notice in blue, that our Chapter 3 test will open up on Math Excel on Thursday, October 22nd. That'll be your test day. And it is due at midnight on the 22nd. So that means that October 22nd at midnight, we have all of the Chapter 3 homework, all of the Chapter 3 quizzes, the Chapter 3 review, as well as the Chapter 3 test due. Now, we've got a lot of time Monday and Tuesday to make sure everything in Chapter 3 homework and everything in Chapter 3 quiz is not only done, but remember those are assignments you could do multiple times, so those could have the best score that you want to have. On Wednesday, That will be your Chapter 3 review homework day. I'll push that out to you in a module on Wednesday. And then on Thursday will be your Chapter 3 test. So make sure that you're breaking those into segments like I've intended and are not waiting till Thursday to try to do all of those assignments. Now, when can you get help this week? When can you ask questions? So our Zoom sessions this week will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday starting at noon. Okay, the Zoom link is there. That's the same Zoom link that we always use. Keep in mind that these sessions are where you get your questions answered. So if you've done the Math Excel assignment, whatever it is, compound inequalities, multi-step inequalities, the graphing, and you didn't understand a problem that you missed, you need to write that problem down and you need to come to the Zoom session. It's very low stress. You either ask the problem or you type it in the chat, and then we go through the steps together, okay? But if we are scoring a score that we're not happy with on either the homework or the quizzes, we should be attending these sessions. Notice that there is not a session on Thursday because Thursday is your test day. Okay, so if we need help, if we're needing assistance, we have today at noon, we have Tuesday at noon, we have Wednesday at noon. Okay, like always, if you have any questions, please inbox me in Canvas. Please keep in mind that I only look at email during school times, so from 8:45 to 3:45. And I know that some of us are not working at those times, but we've got to be flexible that if we are emailing late in the evening, we're not going to get a response until the next day. So I really encourage you to try to email not sometime during the day if you are wanting a response back that day. Also, I have a lot of people asking for individual Zoom meetings that are not attending our Zoom sessions. That's what these Zoom sessions are for. So you need to try the work, and if it doesn't go the way you want it to, we need to hit these Zoom sessions. Okay? I hope you have a good week, and I'm sure I'll be sending out another message here shortly. Have a good day.